Hey guys, it's Miss Craft. I'm up at school. I've been working hard getting ready for y'all to come. I am so excited about kindergarten starting tomorrow, but I'm a little bit nervous too. Is anybody else nervous about coming to school tomorrow? We're going to have so much fun. It's going to be really good. But I wanted to read y'all a book about the night before kindergarten. So we're going to read this book together, and then you can go to sleep, and I will see you in the morning. Here we go. The Night Before Kindergarten by Natasha Wing. This is my title page. The Night Before Kindergarten by Natasha Wing. 'Twas the night before kindergarten, and as they prepared, kids were excited and a little bit scared. They tossed and they turned about in their beds, while visions of school supplies danced in their heads. Erasers and crayons and pencils galore were stuffed in their backpacks and sat by the door. Outfits were hung in the closets with care, knowing that kindergarten soon would be there. In the morning it came. School starts today. Would the teacher be nice? Would they still get to play? Faces were washed and teeth were brushed white. Kids posed for pictures with eyes sparkling bright. Parents packed snacks and kids hopped in cars as if they were boarding a spaceship to Mars. Some kids brought blankets or their favorite stuffed bear in hopes that they could nap like they did at daycare. Their parents exclaimed, "You're big kids, wow! Let us hold your bears and blankets for now. No naps in kindergarten." The parents were worried. Their children would cry if they left him at school with just a goodbye. So they told their darlings, "If you want, we can stay and make sure everything will be A-OK." The teacher then greeted each one with a smile and invited the students to stay for a while. Look at all the moms and dads. The room was all filled with toys, books, and maps. But where were the beds for mid-morning naps? No naps in kindergarten. They colored and painted and played Simon Says. They tumbled and skipped and stood on their heads. We are not standing on our heads in kindergarten. They sang silly songs from beginning to end. Within just a moment, each kid had a friend. There's the moms and dads. They're still in kindergarten. The children were happy. They loved Miss Sunrise. It was she who was in for a giant surprise. When what to her wondering eyes should appear but sad moms and dads who were holding back tears, their noses so sniffy, their eyes red and wet. It was the saddest goodbye Miss Sunrise had seen yet. She gathered the grown-ups on the magical rug, then sent them away after one final hug. The children all waved from the door of the school. Don't cry, Mom and Dad. Kindergarten is cool. Kindergarten is cool, and I'm going to be so excited to see you in the morning. So get ready to give your mom and dad a hug and a kiss and tell them goodbye. And tell your mom and dad, don't cry. I'm going to be okay. Kindergarten is cool. See you in the morning.